I bet you didn't know the US immigration landscape could change overnight, so drastically. Welcome back to Universal Insight. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. The country held its breath as the September 2025 Visa Bulletin dropped. No movement. A total freeze in every major employment-based category. For thousands, it felt like a door slammed shut. But the shock didn't end there. A presidential proclamation quietly introduced a new mandatory H-1B visa fee. Not a few $1,000s, $100,000. The news sent shockwaves through families, law offices, and HR departments. This wasn't a proposal, it was immediate. Suddenly the dream of living and working in America became even more uncertain and far more expensive. Questions mounted. What does this mean for my application, my family, my career? September 2025 will be remembered not for progress, but for new, monumental barriers. The message was clear. The path to the US just got harder, pricier, and more unpredictable. The rules have changed overnight, and everyone is scrambling to keep up. The Visa Bulletin is the government's green card waiting list. Each month, it announces which applications can move forward, based on priority dates. September is crucial. It's the last chance to use up the year's visa supply. In 2025, the supply ran out. The bulletin froze, locking thousands out. Two charts matter. Final action dates, when you get your green card, and dates for filing, when you can submit paperwork. For September, only the stricter final action dates applied. Thousands lost their shot to even file. Every month of no movement means the line grows longer. The freeze didn't just pause the process, it made the backlog worse. Demand for US visas keeps outpacing supply. For many, the finish line just moved further away. The wait continues, with more uncertainty than ever, and hope feels more distant. The new H-1B fee is a game-changer, $100,000 for new petitions. This isn't a minor charge, it's a financial wall. It applies to new H-1B applications filed between September 2025 and September 2026. Renewals and extensions are exempt for now. The government says it's to reserve H-1Bs for only the highest-paid talent. But the real impact? Small businesses, startups, and nonprofits are shut out. For them, $100,000 per employee is impossible. It's not just tech giants affected, it's rural hospitals, research labs, and universities. The H-1B program is now a high-stakes auction for the wealthy. Will the US still attract the world's best and brightest, or will talent go elsewhere, where the doors are open? This policy is a gamble with America's future. The stakes have never been higher, and the consequences could be lasting. More rule changes arrived, creating new headaches for applicants. Non-immigrant visa interviews must now be in your country of citizenship or residence. No more third-country processing. This means costly, time-consuming trips home, even for long-term residents abroad. In-person interviews may soon be mandatory for more applicants, ending many waivers. A new visa integrity fee could add to the cost. For families, the Child Status Protection Act, CSPA rules just got stricter. Now, a child's age is locked in using the restrictive final action dates chart. Kids nearing 21 are at greater risk of aging out and losing eligibility. Under the old rules, many could have secured their place earlier. Now families may face heartbreaking choices: leave a child behind or abandon their American dream. These are technical changes with real human consequences. The process is more rigid, costly, and uncertain than ever. For many, the dream is slipping further away, and the hurdles keep rising. Who loses in this new immigration landscape? The list is long. Skilled workers from India and China, especially in EB2 and EB3, face even longer waits. Their lives and careers are on hold, families separated, dreams deferred. Employers, especially small businesses, are priced out of hiring global talent. Startups can't compete for the engineers and innovators they need. American innovation could suffer, with jobs and ideas moving overseas. Families with kids nearing 21 face the risk of separation due to CSPA changes. Even travelers and students are hit by stricter interview rules and higher costs. Are there any winners? Maybe immigration lawyers who'll be busier than ever. The administration claims American workers will benefit. But many H-1B roles are in fields with a shortage of US talent. For most applicants, families, businesses, these changes mean loss and uncertainty. The system is more complex and unforgiving than ever, and hope is in short supply. With so much changing, it's easy to feel powerless, but now is the time for action, not panic. If you have a pending application, stay informed. Check the Visa Bulletin every month. Watch which chart USCIS is using. It can determine your filing window. Employers. The $100,000 H-1B fee changes everything. Assess your options now. Focus on extensions for current H-1B staff. They're not subject to the new fee. Families with kids nearing 21. Consult an immigration attorney immediately. Recalculate your child's CSPA age and act fast if you're at risk. Prepare for longer waits. Keep documents updated and ready. Stay connected with your attorney and community. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and don't lose hope. The rules may be harsh, but your future depends on your next steps. Be ready to act. The stakes have never been higher.